Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to fulfill orders on Shopify. Just go to Settings, Checkout, then scroll to Order Processing to ensure Automatic Fulfillment option is unchecked. This allows you to handle each order manually. From your Shopify admin, click Orders in the taskbar. Locate the order you want to fulfill, then click on it to open the order details page. Now, if your store has multiple fulfillment locations, click the three dots on the fulfillment card and select Change Location. Pick the warehouse, store, or fulfillment center you want to use, then click Save. Now, depending on your setup, you have two options. The first one is using Shopify Shipping. Click Create Shipping Label, review weight, packaging, and carrier options, then print the label and attach it to the package. And the second option is using other carriers or manual shipping. Click Fulfill Items and enter the tracking number provided by your carrier. And optionally, type in the carrier name for clarity. If you want Shopify to email your customer automatically, check Send Shipment Details to your customer now before finalizing the fulfillment. This option is available only if your customer email address is stored in the order. Now click Fulfill Item and the page will refresh and the order will update to fulfilled. You'll now see shipment details, tracking info, and timestamps under the fulfillment section of the order page. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks like this.